So I was invited to go to a baby shower. So I decided to find something to create and I decided to do a baby standing diaper cake. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Unique World. And if you are new, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So you're going to need some rubber bands and of course your diapers. And what I'm going to do is roll each individual diaper one at a time, just like this. And I believe I used maybe 120, 110 diapers. So now that you have your diapers rolled up, you're going to need a base for your diaper cake and a stand. I use a serving tray from Walmart. A lot of people use like the cake cardboard base. And this tube that I'm using is actually from a Christmas paper wrapping. But you can also use toilet tissue roll, but because I'm doing a 6-tier diaper cake, I'm using the gift wrapping roll. Now you're going to see me just add diapers to the bottom of the base, and I'm just going to use the rubber band and I'm just going to use it to help hold the diapers together. So it's very important when you're doing your diapers, rolling them, making sure that the rubber bands are close to the very top, so that way when it's time to remove the rubber bands, it will be easy for you to remove them. I know it may look like a lot of work, but it was actually easy to do. So you just have to take your time with it. Now I'm just grabbing my ribbon, and this is me trying to figure out exactly what I want to do next. But I'm just going to go ahead and start placing my ribbon onto the bottom tier. I believe I used about 45 to 50 diapers for the first tier. And now that I have my ribbon cut, I'm just going to use my glue gun and I'm just going to glue the ribbon together. So remember when I said to make sure that your rubber bands are close to the top of the diaper when you fold them? This is why, because you're going to be removing the rubber bands from the diapers, and you want to make it easy to be able to reach the rubber bands to remove them. And right here, you're going to see me adding an additional diaper to the bottom tier because I want to make sure that it looks very full. So now it's time for the second tier. I used about 30 to 25 diapers for the second tier. So it is a process. So basically the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth tier are basically going to be about the same. Making sure that you rubber band and adding the needed diapers to make sure that the diaper cake looks proportioned. Now for the third tier, I used about 20 diapers. And the fourth tier, I used about 10 diapers. Now it's time for the fifth tier, and I used about 5 diapers, 5 to 6 diapers, I would say. Now for the sixth tier, I just used 2 diapers and I wrapped it around the gift paper roll. Now it's time to decorate. I'm just going to add more ribbon to kind of outline the ribbon that I do have on the diaper cake already, to just bring out the design a little bit more. And right here, I'm just going to add a It's a Boy ribbon to the diaper cake to just kind of add some decor to it. And now it's time to build the baby. For the bottom of the baby, I use about 8 to 9 diapers. For the middle part of the baby, I use 5 diapers. And for the head of the baby, I use 3 diapers. And for the arm, legs, I use 1 diaper each. For this diaper cake, I'm just going to use a 1 piece, but you can always use like a onesie and some pants and a little jacket or something like that. And I'm just going to first use the base of the diapers, and I'm going to put ribbon, well, yarn, because I didn't have any balloon ribbon. So I'm using yarn to make the baby. And I'm just going to tie the legs onto the bottom of the baby and use it as the legs. Also note that the clothes that I did use is newborn size. So I'm just going to turn it around so you guys can see how I'm connecting the bottom of the baby base to the legs. I'm just going to tie it into a knot, and I'm going to do it the same way on the other side as well. Now I'm just going to place the legs inside of the one set outfit, and I'm just going to zip it up halfway, and it looks just like a baby when I hold it up, just like that. And now I'm just going to get some more yarn, and I'm going to try to connect the top part of the baby and add the arms to the top part of the baby. Now it's time to add the top part of the baby inside of the clothing. It looks just like a baby when I hold it up. What you think? Now it's time to connect the baby's head to the rest of the body. Now I'm going to place a hat over the baby's head. I really didn't like the shape of the hat or head, so I added extra diapers to it to shape it out. And as soon as I lift the baby up, it fell apart. But we're going to work through this. Now right here, you're going to see me try to manage placing the baby on the diaper cake. And I'm just going to attach the arms. But I actually forgot something. I didn't have any mittens, so I'm actually using like baby socks as mittens to make it seem a little bit more realistic with the hands of the baby. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the baby's head back onto the baby's body, and I'm going to wrap that yarn around the diaper cake. And if you need to use extra diapers to make the baby's body look more fuller, just like I did, then you can definitely do that. And I just basically just added diapers where it's needed. And now to make it a little bit more realistic, I'm just going to add a pacifier to the head of the baby. And I'm just going to place it in between the diapers where it's going to show. Now to keep the pacifier in place, I had to do a little adjustment and basically just kind of roll the diaper a little bit tighter to where it actually stayed. And now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of shape up the baby to make sure it kind of looks more realistic than what it was looking. And right here, all you're going to see me do is kind of fix up the baby to make it look a little bit more neater. I made so many adjustments until I was satisfied. And this is what my diaper cake looks like at the end. I am very satisfied and pleased with it. If you decide to make a diaper cake, make sure you tag me on Instagram so that I can see how your diaper cake looks. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss another DIY video from me, Unique World. Until next time, peace.